Such a good bike, you guys. I mean, it's really nimble in the corners. You can flick it around. It's fast. And most of all, it's comfortable. Like, I had a Yamaha Tracer before, and it was really cramped. My back started to hurt. I couldn't ride it. And it felt really small as well. So, this is way better. Way better! And it sounds awesome in the higher RPMs. Really awesome. It's a good bike. I actually test drove a Ducati 950 SS 900, I don't know, whatever, last season, and I drove it for 10 minutes, and then I went straight back to the dealership and told them I can't. So that's one of the main reasons I have a large, extra large motorbike, because I'm really tall. And then Ducati, you couldn't fit any bags. Like, they were super tiny. And I like to have some stuff with me, because before work I usually go to the gym. I have my gym clothes and my working computer, my laptop, my food. So I need bags. I need like hard bags, aluminium bags, which this bike, the Triumph, provided me with. So it's, I don't know, the bike is perfect for me. I love it. It's the best bike in the world, if you ask me, according to me. Usually, even though I have an adventure bike, I don't dress like it. I dress like I have a cafe racer. But like the adventure clothes, like, people tend to buy the clothes that fit the bike. I want clothes I can use off the bike and on the bike, not just on the bike, and then look ridiculous when I go into work or go to town, or, you know, go to a restaurant or whatever. Like my leather jacket, I think it's really nice. It looks really good. Like, it's really fast. Sounds awesome.
So my name's Benjamin, and I'm starting this channel because yeah, for fun, I guess, memories, and to follow my own journey in the future. I actually took my driver's license last September, so I'm by no means a professional driver, but I would say that I'm rather good anyways, because practice makes almost perfect. Yeah, so this is what the bike sounds like. It's to me it sounds really good. I couldn't be more happy. Like I mean, come on, it's awesome, right? Test drove I also test drove a BMW 1300 GS, and I loved it. But I couldn't justify that it cost like 300,000 crowns. That's like 31,000, 32,000 dollars, US dollars. It's way too expensive. Then I went to Triumph and tested this, and it was really good. I actually just sat on it. I didn't even test drive it before I bought it. I actually put my trust in the salesperson who said that it was a super flickable bike. So thank God he was right. Next week I'm actually going to go with my friend to pick up his bicycle. Not bicycle, motorcycle. From Skövde. It's a town many hours away from Stockholm, and he'll ride me. Yeah, we have a whole weekend trip planned, so I actually look forward to film that, post that, and send the videos to him, because like I said, it's mainly for fun and memories, right? Brother. I like the memes. The American memes. The Harley guys. When they're trying to stop you because they want to kiss you. It's funny. I actually don't have to slow down for a speed camera, but I've driven cars for 12 years and motorcycle for 8 months, so it's a habit. Like I said, I'm sometimes I am a law-abiding citizen. Sometimes I'm not. Or am I? Who knows? Anyways, guys, so if you liked the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment, and yeah, I'll see you next time. This was fun. A little bit weird talking to myself, but